Hey, moose hunting season just started. You're looking for the ultimate moose hunting machine? There you go. Coffee? No, not so much, but you need it in the wood. Jake? Useless. It's gonna bark. The old GS 800? Yeah, it's cool, but not for moose hunting. 338 Lapua. Woohoo! Yeah, you can make a shot up to 1,000 meter. The problem is when you shoot a moose 1,000 meter away in the swamp, oh man, you have to pull it out. And then you'll need the ultimate moose hunting machine. There it is, the good old Big Red 200. There's nothing that can stop that thing. It will float, it will go over branches. It's absolutely unstoppable. If you make a trail that's wide enough for it and you have a winch in the front, you can basically go up mountains, down mountains, across creek. You will not be able to stop it, you know. It's easy, put one piece on it, strap it to the back, and just roll around with it. Be careful. These things are dangerous. They're actually probably responsible for more ankle breakage than any other piece of equipment out there. It actually was pulled out of the market because it was so dangerous. But yet, if you're hunting out in the real wild and you're very far out in the wood, this will help you out. It's fairly light. 2 men can lift it in and out of the boat, no problem. There's the ultimate moose hunting machine. You guys have a good moose hunting season. See you soon.